Hello everyone, welcome back to our English with Mama channel. In today's video, I got a fantastic plan for you. I got 5 steps to boost your communication skills. Learning a language is an adventure and consistency is the key. So let's dive into 5 steps that help you to make real difference in your learning language. Step 1. Follow audio soap opera. Listen to an English soap opera, for example, The Archers by BBC Radio, and it's a daily series that helps you to improve your listening skill and expose you to different accents, also provide daily vocabulary practice. Step 2. Talk with native speaker. Engage in daily conversation with native speakers. Exchange language learning platforms, or you can ask your friend to talk with you every day in English. This is best for you. Or take paid classes for well-rounded language experience. Step 3. Set a daily goal. Learn a minimum of 1 word every day. Keep a vocabulary journal. Note down every word you encounter. Research and translate them into English. Reinforce your vocabulary. Step 4. Write a daily journal with vocabulary integration. Maintaining a daily journal incorporating newly learned words. Write few sentences about your day, but ensuring to use those words. This helps you to improve your writing skills, also your vocabulary retention and your overall language proficiency. Step 5. Perform daily translation of personal interest. Translate content related to your interest from your native language to English. Open the subtitle on YouTube videos, focusing on video you enjoy. This adds in language comprehension, expands vocabulary, your overall language skills. And there you have it, just 5 simple steps to supercharge your English language journey. Remember, it's about making practice a daily part of your routine. Whether you are engaging yourself in conversation, in audios, in dramas, or trying your hands at translation, remember, keep it up, stay motivated, and you will find yourself learning English effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe for more language tips, and I'll catch you in my next lesson. Happy learning!